Hello, and welcome to the UHD Writing and Reading Center tutorial video for accessing and navigating the Purdue OWL MLA Formatting and Style Guide. The quickest way to access the OWL is to go to Google and search for Purdue OWL MLA Formatting and Style Guide. The main tool for navigating the OWL is the panel on the left side of the screen. Here you will see links to different aspects of the MLA format. Near the top of this panel are rules for in-text citations, and these include different ways to cite sources in your paper, as well as rules for citing specific types of sources. For example, citing a work by multiple authors, or in-text citations for print sources with no known author. Beneath this are rules for formatting quotations. For example, using block quotes for longer quotations. Further down are rules for the Works Cited page. As you can see, there are different links depending on the type of source you are using. For example, if you are using a book, you would click MLA Works Cited page, Books. If you are using an article from an online journal, you would click MLA Works Cited Electronic Sources, and scroll down until you see an article in an online scholarly journal. The rest of the panel covers various other aspects of the MLA format, such as including figures. Purdue also provides samples for the Works Cited page and an MLA paper as a whole. The primary links will be MLA index citations and those titled MLA Works Cited page. For more in-depth assistance with MLA formatting, feel free to make an appointment with the Reading and Writing Center. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. You're well on your way to finishing UHD strong.